Hey everybody, Anissa here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're one of my returning subscribers, welcome back. Good to hang out with you all again. Today we're going to chat about, ColourPop's been doing these sister brands, and I did purchase products from Soul Body. So I'm going to chat about that with you today. So if you want to hear my opinions about it, see a little quick demo of it. I did do a demo on my IGTV, and if you're not following me on there, just pause really quick, just go over to @lipstickandAnissa and check me out on Instagram. I like to post a lot of my outfits, makeup flat lays, quick chats in my stories, a little bit of everything. So if you want to connect with me more, follow me there. But back to the point, I ended up purchasing 2 items from Soul Body. I love body shimmer. I love body highlight. I love highlight. I love anything that brings light into the skin. And that's what that claimed to do. So I snatched it up. And as much as I love Rihanna, I love Rihanna. Don't get me wrong. But that body lava, that price point, and then other things that are like this and at those steeper price points, so it's no, I refuse. So here's the unit carton for the Soul Shimmering Dry Oil. I did get the shade Warm Gold, and this is it. Now this you do have to shake up to use, because as you can see, that glitter shimmer pigment is at the bottom and the rest is the dry oil. So you literally just have to shake it out, and ooh, that is so pleasing to the eye to see. So ridiculously pleasing. So this bad boy retails for $15. I did also pick up the accompanying Kabuki body brush, which retails for $12, because I just wanted a easy way to apply it. And I have used this once before, but this is the Kabuki brush. It's pretty large. Again, I picked up the color Warm Gold. It just seems to be very much so me and have a lot of dimension to it. There are 4 shades total in the Shimmering Dry Oil collection, and they all suit every skin tone. So you can pick whichever kind of highlight that you like to go for, and it should work with your skin tone, which is pretty cool, because that was one of my main concerns when I bought this. I was like, which one's going to go with my skin tone? Because again, that's even how I pick out my highlighter, which one complements my skin tone. But to see that these should be compatible with all skin tones is a bingo for me. Alright, so I'm going to apply just a little bit. This can get a little messy. I'm really nervous. I'm going to change my top because I'm really nervous. Okay, so I just changed into something strapless so I can do this whole application for you all. I will tell you, you need to be quick if you're using this, because it is very liquidy. I can't even say it. So once it goes on, it moves, and you have to work to blend it in. So let me just pull. And so I just do a pump and then blend it into the skin. And it has a coconut smell to it. So if you don't sense this may not be your jam. Really catches. So this Shimmering Dry Oil is really good for the days that you're going to wear something where your shoulders are exposed, because as you can see, it just catches the light on the skin in such a flattering way. Now, if you are a little bit on the lighter spectrum, this is not going to provide a tan for you. It just isn't. That's not the intent of this product. The pigmentation of it is just to catch the light. It is purely a highlighting product. So just know that if you're thinking that this will be a tanning solution, it will not. While this is a dry oil and it doesn't have a slippery, oily finish, I must say that 1, you can feel like something is on the skin when you go to touch it. 2, and most importantly, the shimmer in it does transfer. It doesn't wear completely down. You can wear it for a few hours for sure, but if you wear clothing on top of it, it will transfer to it. So I really say, again, wear this when like your shoulders and your décolleté area and your arms are all exposed for the majority. Like you could do something like a spaghetti strap or a little something, but really this is made to show off the skin and the body, and I mean, I'm here for that, of course, but I just want you to know that if you touch something, the shimmer will transfer. Just as I said earlier, it does have the fragrance to it. It is like a coconut beach-like fragrance. Even though I love that fragrance, it's probably like one of my favorite scents. Like, it makes me feel like I'm on vacation. I'm on an island. I'm like back in Puerto Rico, like having a mojito or something. Like, that's how I feel when I smell that. But if you are more sensitive to fragrance, you will want to stay away from this product. It would be really cool if they did different scents with this. So like a non-scented, this original one, and maybe another one just for everyone out there. I don't think I'll wear fragrance the days that I'm wearing this. I am pretty cautious about layering different scents. So this would be the one day that this will just be the way that I smell. I'll smell like a beach. I'll smell like a vacation. So as you can see still on my skin for one last view, it's not like a pure makeup. It is more of like that highlighting product. So I don't think this is really competing with like that body makeup that like Kim Kardashian recently launched. So if that's what you're looking for, again, you're just going to get the good highlight. It makes the skin look radiant, and that does enough for me. I think I'm done chit-chatting about this product. I will have links down below for you to shop it and check it out. Those links are monetized. However, that is supporting me and this channel, and I greatly appreciate if you do use it. And if you don't feel like it, I get it, no pressure. But I just want to be 100% transparent with that. If you like these little quick reviews, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and check me out on all my social media. Everything on how to connect to me is down below in the description box. Hit subscribe, join the tribe. You guys stay glamorous, stay blessed, stay happy, and chat with me down below if you have any further questions, and I'll catch you in my next video.